Small but terrible. Check mo tong 4x4 cutie natin. I got you ulit. Good morning guys. Meron tayong new arrival. 2017 Suzuki Jimny 4x4 GLX automatic transmission. Exterior wise, fresh original paint at 15 inches wheels, mga kapalang tires. At sa harap, halogen headlight, fog lamps, functional grille at not functional hood scoop at 5 ang ending. At sa engine, it's a 1.3 liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder automatic transmission 4x4 gasoline engine. At yung kondisyon ng makina, napakaganda. Napakasariwan nitong Jimny na to. Magdala ka na scanner at mekaniko para ma-assure mo. At dito sa loob, intact na headliner, fresh fabric seats at storage. Traditional infotainment system, climate control, 4x4 mode, automatic transmission, cup holder at napakasariwang steering wheel. Analog display with 45,000 kilometers on the clock only at vanity mirror sa driver side. At sa third row, huwag kang mag-expect ng space kasi hindi ako kasya, pero meron siyang cup holders on both sides. At sa pinakalikod, orig pa yung mga lens, spare tire at sa trunk. So far, maluwag ang trunk space at kompleto ng tools, spare tire, and jack. So this is the 2017 Suzuki Jimny 4x4 GLX automatic transmission. So kung gusto nyo to guys, for only 635,000 pesos lang, mauuwi mo na to. Open to for cash, trade-in and financing. So tawag ka na, sobrang cute na ito. Thank you guys, peace out.